Hello, Ellen. My name is Adair Freeman. I live with my foster mom, Jill Timmons. She is very kind, sweethearted, and helpful to me. I want to give back to her by helping her achieve her dream. She wants to help people and animals in need. Will you please help by spreading the word about her program? Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. I love you. Oh, and of course, we have Sandy here, and I know you know him, but here he is. He kind of tired.